Kids, let's play a counting puzzle game with the animal counting puzzle sticks we have with some sea animals. If you like this type of game, I will provide this game link in my video's description. You can buy from there. We have turtle and other animals. First of all, we will make turtle with these puzzle. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. And six. Turtle. Now let's move to the next picture. What we have? We have crab. Now let's make crab with these puzzles. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. And six. Crab. Let's move to the next picture. Next puzzle game we have shark. Now let's make shark with these puzzles. There is one. Two. What comes after two? Three. Four. We have five. And last one is six. We have made it shark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 puzzles. Now let's make another sea animal. What we have? Let's make another sea animal. Whale. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Last one is six. Whale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Very good, kids. You did really well. We have done counting game up to 1 to 6 counting. We learn 1 to 6 with the puzzle game. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.